morning, welcome to Truck Smart Isuzu. My name is Carl. Today I'd like to show you these two brand new Isuzu landscape trucks. This is a 2024 Isuzu NRR gas 19.5 GVW chassis, regular cab. This is a brand new 2025 Isuzu NRR 19.5 GVW crew cab. Both trucks have been equipped with 6.6 liter gas V8, 400 horsepower, 6-speed automatic transmission. Inside, you'll find the trucks are fully equipped. Power windows, power door locks, cruise, tilt. Both trucks have been equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen audio system, ready for your backup camera. This crew cab already has the camera installed. The standard Isuzu has seating for 3. This crew cab has seating for up to 7. Both of these trucks have 18-foot aluminum landscape bodies. There's 2 different ways of doing the same thing. They are both plywood lined aluminum bodies. The Duramag comes with smooth exterior panels, no rivets, makes it great for doing a wrap. And 2 different doors in the back. You'll see that the complete truck body has a 2-foot taper, all right, and then you're gonna have a 5-foot ramp. The Duramag aluminum body is gonna have ramp extensions you'll see when we open up the truck. But the crew cab with the 2-foot taper makes more sense because it's a longer truck, and this gives you the maneuverability to get in your equipment in and out. So as you can see, both 18-foot bodies are plywood lined. The Duramag has a translucent roof. The Complete does not. This is the 2-foot tapered tail connected to your drop-down ramp. This drop-down ramp has 5-foot fold-down extensions to get you in and out of the truck. Bit of a longer footprint, which makes this truck make more sense in the crew cab chassis. 2 rows of E-Track already built into this truck. 1 row in this one. Both trucks were equipped with a 42-inch side access door. You can see over here, there's a drop-down access ladder to get to the door. The Duramag body is made with opening louvers so that you can vent the inside of the truck, prevent any mold or mildew building up from the lawn equipment. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call me. My name's Carl, 215-828-1572. We have over 200 trucks here in stock at Truck Smart, ready to work. Thank you so much. Have a great day.